This tutorial was developed to provide you with the step-by-step instructions you'll need to successfully incorporate the Elcometer 224 top digital surface profile meter into your daily activities. In this section, we'll take you through the batching and statistics functions of the 224. Before we begin, please take a moment to familiarize yourself with the buttons and icons you'll encounter as you successfully navigate this tutorial operating the Elcometer 224 top digital surface profile gauge. Memory and storage capabilities of the Elcometer 224 are perhaps its most important features. By creating batches on this gauge, you will be able to separate and segregate your readings into meaningful collections that will simplify your work processes. In this section, we'll discuss the 224's two modes of operation, immediate mode and batch mode, the similarities and differences between the two, and the safe. Immediate mode is best used when the memory of your gauge is clear, and you are obtaining. Batch mode allows you to collect your readings in organized. To set up batching on your 224, select data from your gauge's main display. While this next screen presents many options, before we set up our new batch, perhaps this is a good time to discuss the significance of CAM or counted average measurement. In CAM, readings are taken in preset groups, rather than singularly. As this measurement method has become standard practice in many industries, it is important to understand its significance. In order to illustrate this principle, while CAM is generally more beneficial when determining surface profiles over very large areas, perhaps this small-scale illustration will bring its true value to light. Look first at the 5 reading points in this area. Calculating the average profile using the normal mode, we would have 4 measurements, essentially within plus or minus 1% of each other, with the 5th being relatively high, perhaps high enough to claim its place as the highest reading within this batch. Using CAM, however, the 4 nearly identical measurements would work to counter this high reading and offer a truer quantity. When opening a new batch, you may toggle between normal or singular measurements and CAM by selecting the folder shown along the bottom of your display. You'll notice that this batch was created using CAM, with n equals 5. Once CAM is chosen, you may select how many readings will be contained in each group by using the up or down. After successfully setting the CAM method, the data symbol changes on the entry screen, as well. The same data screen that allowed us to set up our new batch will also allow us to review any existing batches contained in the gauge's memory. Use the arrows shown in the center of the bottom row of the display to move forward or backward. You may, at some point, have a need to delete single readings or entire batches. To begin this process, select Menu from the main display. Select the option that best suits. The Elcometer 224 quantifies both the highest and lowest readings contained within each group, as well as the mean, the standard deviation, and the. To access statistics, select the Stats option on the main menu. Choose Select Stats. Place a tick mark in the box next to the statistic or statistics you wish to track for each batch. In this tutorial, we've reviewed the successful operation of the Elcometer 224 top surface profile gauge. We welcome your comments and suggestions regarding this presentation, and encourage you to voice your opinions by emailing sales@elcometerusa.com, or by contacting your local sales representative or distributor.